Yeah, early in the morning before the sun comes up. Fishing has been pretty slow in the afternoon. We have frustrating afternoon high tides, and the wind's usually blowing by 11 o'clock, and by 1:30 it's blowing pretty hard. So it feels nice to be out here. As it appears, I'm the only boat on the river at this point in time. Today is kind of a foggy day. It's a dredger, and he's dredging, making the channel a little bit deeper. First fish on for the morning here. And you see I have my little fishing partner here helping me out. A nice run here. Looks like that could be a silver salmon. You can see the Stuyvesant is out there doing its thing. Now let's get this net out, see what I can do with this guy. I'm not quite ready yet. Oh, it's a chinook salmon. Chinook salmon. So we'll have to get him in and release him. Nice little guy. I'm going to have to put him in the net to do it. All right, now got a happy puppy dog here. There we go. Got him loose. He's got a hooked up on here. There he goes. It's a busy channel today. A lot of traffic.
This is a salmonator calling Strawberry.
Well, let's see what we got here. Got a pretty excited little puppy dog running around. See if we got another chinook. This one is a silver, and it looks to me like it's a keeper. Looks like a keeper. Here. Yep. Big silver. Nice silver. Big one. In the Lowrance, you can see an arrowhead. That's the boat. And that little pink trail around it is where we've been. That's our track. You can see that there's little waypoints like anchors and fish. Those are spots where we've hooked fish in the past. You look over here at the, I don't know if you can see this very much, but if you get pretty close, you can see we're about 24 feet of water, and all those marks there are either schools of bait or salmon. Got another fish here. I'm just getting my gear in the water and trolling a little and hooking up, man. It's hot. The boat next to me over here. These guys over here, they're hooking them as fast as I am, and we're the only ones out here. Another nice chinook salmon. Boy, oh boy. It's amazing the season's closed for these things. It's amazing. Amazing fishing for these things today. He's starting to get to the point where he may get a little tired here pretty soon. We'll see. He's starting to roll on his side, so I think he might be ready to come in and let me take him, get him back in there. All right. Nice fat one. It's not one of my biggest one yet today, but it's certainly a beautiful fish. There we go. Good deal. And him, he's got a little. There's this guy. Another beautiful fish. Wow. As you can see, we have a minor emergency here. All right, let's get this guy back in the water. Get us fishing. We only have one more coho to catch. Yeah, it looks like we have another nice fish here. This looks like a coho, a nice jump. This year's regulations are interesting, as they all are this time of year down in the Lower Columbia. What we're finding here is that Chinook season is closed as of probably about a week ago, but you can continue to catch silver salmon. You can keep them only if they're fin clipped or they're from hatchery. So you can come out here and conceivably catch several Chinook and release them, and catch several silvers and release them as well, until you get your fin clipped fish. This is a beautiful native right here. You can see the with a little that little slice on the side there. That's a seal mark. Lots of seals this year biting the fish and killing them. But it's been crazy. I think that's seal might have this one. Hard to say what I got here. I don't know if I got a big fish or whether I got a seal. Big chinook in here. Because I have a feeling I got a little friend out there. Let him swim over here on this side. There's a nice one. I'm horsing him a little bit. I probably shouldn't, but I'm leery of seals. Big, good-looking fish. Get his head up, I might be able to lead him towards the net. There we go. Another nice one. Got the big chinook spots. Easy. It's an easy 22 pound fish. Beauty. There he goes. There's a fishing boat right there. A guide boat off to our left. It's like a coho. Nice one. Nice fish. Looks like it could be legal. Well, we'll find out. Let's see what we got here. We are done, Sonny. We are done. Me and my doggy, we got our limit.